Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasrida, and I'm going to talk about the applied internet linguistic. So the internet is one of the field that been researched by the linguists. So in the internet, there are problems areas such as search engine assistance. Search engine assistant is become a problem because the search engine assistant it's help people with automation. So it's a problem because when someone to trying to search depression for in the context of the economy, the search engine will think about the most relevant to them, such as depression in feeling or in psychology. So it doesn't match. So the next is similar to the previous is the irrelevancy of the document classification. So not only in search engine, documents too. So for example, when people try to search uh, a, a case of a Bosnian and stuff, and the case about the Bosnian country. So the internet give them the about the country, not the case. So it's irrelevant. So the next is the e-commerce. So it's become the problem too when we try to buy something on the internet. So if for example when we want to buy a shampoo without making it clear, so the internet give us like a shampoo for other thing, like maybe shampoo for animal or cars. And the next is advertisement. So advertisement is become a problem when we try to searching in a browsing in website on a website. So there must an advertisement. Sometimes the advertisement is irrelevant to what we read. Yeah, what we read. And sometimes it's offensive. For example, when we read about an article about the murder with sharp object, so there is an advertisement of the kitchen knife, so it's become offensive. So all of that to be concluded, they are need context and more. So the next part is the focus on ambiguity. So the problem of all of that, the irrelevancy, the mismatch is polysemy. Polysemy is words that has multiple meaning. So this has become the major part of the problem, the internet searching. So to help this, people to help this internet should we linguists use many approach. The first one is grammatical approach, lexical approach, and the most in the book say the most effective, I think, is lexicological approach. So it basically is combining the dictionary and what do you say, encyclopedia knowledge to resolve the ambiguity. So the next part is the centrality of semantic. So the other part to fix the ambiguity is using semantic, because semantic we can analyze the general word use and we can classify the words, and the last is we account the user's variation. So the next part is imagery, I don't like that. So the main point of this part is like internet should know the context of what the user input. So basically users need give more context and other stuff to make the internet know what they talking about, and not only in searching. This help in the advertisement too. So back in the day, advertisement used this kind of method, for example, when we search something, we browse a website, and the website has a main keys. For example, is there is a murder case, a website that talks about murder case with knives. So the knife is become the keyword, and the advertisement see that keyword and advertise the knife instead. So this is become offensive because subject matter. So, and the second problem is sometimes the website is different from the content is different from the title. So this has become a problem too, because when we talk about this theme in this part, and the bottom is a different theme, or the multi theme, so the advertisement has a difficulty on this. So to do this, the new advertisement method is using user preferences, or to avoid uh, the controversy, and the new advertisement method is more care about the sentiment about the people. So the last part is other aspects. So the first is graphology. So graphology is the filter, or the punctuation that doesn't need must be banished, and word use of variation, something like that. And the next is discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is non-topical subject or content or web pages, such as in the web, like home or something like that, that is irrelevant, should be throw up. So the next is pragmatic, I think. So the internet should have the pragmatic elements, such as a context, to make user experience better. The next is variation. Variation is in this context is like the internet must know about the variations of human speak. For example, in formal or informal or in slang or something like that. So the internet should know about that, and to make a user and what they do with internet not mismatch. So the last thing is diacory. Diacory. Basically, the last part is say the internet should know that language is different. Language is evolve every day. Evolve every day. So language is difference in the future. So language is keep changing. So that's it for now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.